Ikrista yonoledo leta kaisakany kezda pote dilo kisaidia kakeje anyono napaka itono district alo moroto anoda enumuno mapara mnyina kam matters day itungalo kezda pote geute roto keche apara ni Canada iwongonet ide pote dolu tu moroto osawa na ikanya pelo apara ni lolo ido kara moja nyezda mama bwe pedo alosito ni leje na mugongo neda itolo sere alipasine inuda kwa pkere.
We used to make a longer journeys to up to Namugongo, but now we found out that so many were missing out. That's why we decided that for those who cannot make it up to Namugongo, many have gone, we can also celebrate locally at the most local level.
Namugongo is a big shrine, very good site, but when most people are not in position to go, you cannot. But we choose to celebrate because we also want to have it within. As we say, it is now a custom, we do celebrate annually.
Idono epolo kotoma alipasine kanom kezda imora tosa monya kinila soban ainya kuna ipuchune karamoja.
We are having a lot of issues here. There's a lot of insecurity. So we decided to come here to pray for this Uganda matters, such that they also pray for us.
The reason I walk from Riri to Moroto to Nawoi parish is to ask God that may God help us for that people for insecurity.
The prayers we are going to be presenting before the Lord as a community of believers that we may have peace. Peace in Uganda, peace especially in Karamoja. We are tired of powering blood.
Ida inapeta nuda ite munokin kezde loseta konye alai joto manon Nawoi parish nude potasu banana jaiki na para ni kana moi.
This year, Regina Mundi is the one animating mass at Nawoi. It is rotational. The last time we were here in 2014. Since in our central dinner we have about 10 parishes. The choir which is down there preparing comprises of the 3 choirs of Regina Mundi. That is Uganda Matter Centenary Choir, which sings during English Mass. Then the Queen of the World, which sings for Karamojong Mass. Then we also have our youth choir, which animates whenever they come from school.
Godfred Eyuunak, TV East, Moroto.